In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to convert your Shopify store into a mobile app. The first thing you want to do is head over to the Shopify App Store. So go ahead and log into your Shopify admin account. Once logged in, you will want to navigate to the Settings tab, then look for Apps and Sales Channels. A click on Shopify App Store will take you straight to the store's main page, where you will have access to a multitude of exciting apps. For the next step, we'll search for a suitable mobile app builder. To do this, you simply need to type Mobile App Builder into the search bar and press Enter. It's important to browse through the various options available. Some popular choices among store owners include AppBrew, Shopney, and Hulk Mobile. Each of these has its pros and cons, so you may want to spend a little time comparing features, reading user reviews, and even checking out the pricing plans before settling on your preferred choice. Now, the real fun begins. Once you've made your choice, it's time to install and set up the app builder. Click on the Install button and follow the prompts to create your account. Don't worry about the nitty-gritty, because the builder will guide you through the initial setup process. By following the prompts, in no time, you'll be ready to create an awe-inspiring mobile app for your Shopify store. Once the setup is complete, it's time to start customizing your app. This process can be really exciting as you design your app just the way you desire using the builder's tools provided. You get to customize the look and feel, add different sections, configure the menu the way you envision it, and upload your branding elements, such as the app icon, to name a few. Get creative. This is your moment to transform your Shopify store into a mobile app that reflects your brand's personality. After customizing your app, you ought to preview and test before publishing. The preview feature allows you to see how the app looks and functions on different devices, from an iPhone to a Samsung tablet. This step is crucial in ensuring that there are no bugs and that your customers will have a seamless experience exploring your store on the handy mobile app. Finally, once you're satisfied with how things look and work, it's time to publish your app to the app stores. You'll need to follow the app builder's guidelines to generate and publish the app to the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Note that this might require inputting your developer account details. Once published, your Shopify store will be accessible to millions of potential customers worldwide as a downloadable mobile app. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to transform your Shopify store into a mobile app.